Hello, making a trail, not following a path. Looking at my glow flasher here, and I have some chrome stripping on one side and glow in the dark in the front. And it's really important that you get as much flash as you can, because in the waters of Puget Sound, it's really kind of dark at times. And I'm a believer in ball bearing swivels on the front of my flasher. It's not so important on the tail section when you're towing a fly. However, if you're using cut plug herring, yeah, you could use a ball bearing swivel. You're looking at the purple and white fly with the Thoke bend. Those hooks are stainless steel 6/0 92553 XLT. And they're a wire hook, and they're not square in shape. But the glow flasher, as it rotates, really has proven itself to work well with that glow on one side and the chrome strip on the other. Let's take a look at it in action. Nice easy beat on it. It's just moving along fine. And notice how the fish swims with moving its head back and forth to grab that fly. Ah, missed it. You get a lot of action that way, but sometimes they just won't take it. And then other times, one will swim up and just grab it and take off like crazy. But they follow it. And so while you're trolling, you might want to start making a few turns to entice them to strike. Now, this guy looks like he wants it. He's moving fast. Usually when you see him up to the camera, they do move fast with their head and body, kind of at the same speed as the fly is moving. It's interesting to see that. So nice and easy. Come on, fish, you can do it. There's a number of them following it right now. These fish are all probably 6 to 10 pounds. The fly's doing its job, attracting them, but nobody's really coming after it. But you'll be surprised, as soon as one hits it, boom, they really take off. Look at the little school here. Somebody's going to go, look how fast and aggressive it is. There he is. Bam, fish on. Let's take another look here at the flasher fly, another fish. See how quick they grabbed it? Boom. Let's take another look here at the flasher. Same one, the glow in the dark with the chrome strip, the purple and white fly with my hooks. But notice how they move their head with the action of the fly. Now, he's a little bit small and didn't really want to kick off right away like some of the fish do. That one hit hard, didn't he? Okay, now here's my spoon, the Thoke spoon. Oh, you notice how fast the fish move, and the water's a lot deeper. When I troll spoons, I like to get in that 140 foot of depth. And it seems like they hit it a lot harder, the spoon, rather than the fly. Now we're looking at our depth finder. We're in about 90 to 100 foot of bottom depth usually, and they come in fairly fast on those fish. It's interesting to watch. Thanks for everything you people have done with me in the past, and continued good success, you out there, you fishermen, you slab brothers. And maybe one day we'll get out on the water together and catch a few fish. Thanks. Bye-bye.